Beauty of a delivery to start the action. Siddiq starts the thing superbly for the bowling side of Billa. Ishaq and Nafri, the opening batters in the middle for the team. SA Fighters. രണ്ട് ഡോട്ട് ബോളോടുകൂടി തുടക്കം കുറിക്കുന്നു. That's again a beauty. Complete control straight away in the hands of the bowler. It's just making it superbly for the team. A clever start. It's a clever execution in 3 times. Perfectly maintaining the things by the strike bowler, Siddiq Patta. That's another beauty of a delivery. Carrying the length and line superbly. Complete silence in 916. Ishaq 916. Just trying to off the mark, but all the way the controls having by the bowler, Siddiq Patta. That's over the field and all the way for 6 runs. That's a pure quality of 916 from Ishaq. After some silence, this time he makes the control superbly, and what a way to place through the offside region for a cracking shot of 6 runs for SA Fighters. Scorecard open in style. That's again high in the sky. Oh, it will be a no chance. A bounce after that, gone for a boundary for 4. അവസാന 2 പന്തുകളിൽ ബൗണ്ടറികൾ അടിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഇഷാക്ക് മനോഹരമായി തുടക്കം കുറിക്കുകയാണ് ആദ്യ ഇന്നിംഗ്സിന് SA ഫൈറ്റേഴ്സിന് വേണ്ടി. 10 without loss after first over. ആദ്യ ഓവറിൽ 10 റൺസുമായി SA ഫൈറ്റേഴ്സ് ആദ്യ ഇന്നിംഗ്സ് പുരോഗമിക്കുകയാണ്. മേക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ഫാസ്റ്റ്. ഐ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് ടു ദ ഫീൽഡിംഗ് ടീം ക്യാപ്റ്റൻ. Iju Kopa coming with the over number 2 for the team. Lovely delivery. What a beauty of an execution from Iju Kopa. Keeps it away from the batter zone and makes it beautifully. That's high in the sky. And there will be the field. What a save! Oh man, that's a screamer. Absolutely a screamer. Magnificent effort in the deep. Drives it that one straight to the fielder. Beautiful delivery again by the bowler Iju Kopa. It is all working. And what a save we have seen from the deep. Outstanding effort by the fielder, that giving the confidence. Edge and gone for sure. And that's a wicket. Outstanding bowling and a reward of wicket. അതിന് പൂർത്തീകരണം നൽകുകയാണ്. നിജു നടത്തിയ മാസ്മരികമായ ഒരു സേവ് ബോളറുടെ കോൺഫിഡന്റ് ലെവൽ വർദ്ധിപ്പിച്ചെങ്കിൽ ആധികാരികമായി തുടർന്നുള്ള പന്തുകൾ എക്സിക്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് അതിലൊരു വിക്കറ്റും സ്വന്തമാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് ടീം SA ഫൈറ്റേഴ്സിനെതിരെ ഫൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ തീരുമാനിക്കുകയാണ് ടീം ബില്ല. What a cracking start by MS. Kader starts in style, and this man is know all the corners of this ground. Nineteen runs on card. 19 റൺസുകളുമായി 2 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. ഖാദറിന്റെ ഒരു കിടിലൻ തുടക്കം. Apadu coming. Played it nicely by Afri. Afri is a quality product and just plays it that one over the infield and nicely gets a single that brings a Kader back on strikers and Kader MS. Slow delivery, that's typical Apadu type of execution. Absolute no clue for the batter to react. Wonderful execution on this occasion in front of MS. That's again a smart piece of bowling performance with all the authority that keeping by Apadu. 19 റൺസുകൾ ആദ്യ 2 ഓവറുകളിൽ പിറന്നെങ്കിൽ ഇത്തവണ അപ്പാദു കൃത്യമായി മെരുക്കി നിർത്തുകയാണ്. 6 അടിച്ചു തുടങ്ങിയ എംഎസിനെ. That's a powerful rocket arm, man. That's an absolute gorgeous type of a cricketing shot straight down the ground. കളി കാണാനെത്തിയ പുഞ്ചിരി സമീറിന്റെ കിളി മാറുന്നു ആ ഷോട്ട് കണ്ടിട്ട്. What a shot by Kader MS. Magnificently dispatched out of the ground. Shot again. Oh, that's high in the sky. That's the end, and what a comeback by Apadu. Absolutely phenomenal piece of a comeback. 6 അടിച്ച താരത്തെ പിടികൂടിക്കൊണ്ട് മനോഹരമായ ഒരു തിരിച്ചുവരവുമായി അപ്പാദു തന്റെ ഓവർ ഗംഭീരമാക്കുകയാണ്. അടുത്ത മത്സരത്തിന്റെ ടോസിന് വേണ്ടി MA ബ്രദേഴ്സ് ടീം ക്രിക്കറ്റേഴ്സ്, ഇരു ടീമുകളുടെയും ക്യാപ്റ്റൻസ് റിപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. MA ബ്രദേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് ക്രിക്കറ്റേഴ്സ്. That one need to load again. It was going way outside. 27 runs on card. That's a clever execution to complete the over. സംഭവബഹുലമായ ഒരു ഓവർ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. 27 റൺസുകളുമായി 3 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. 2 വിക്കറ്റ് നഷ്ടത്തിൽ SA Fighters 27 for 2 after 3 overs. Afri standing and keeping one in safely. On the other side, we have seen 2 wickets already down from the team SA Fighters. A very, very good fighting by the frontline bowlers of Team Billa. Makes it wonderfully in the starting session. I welcome the captain of MA Brothers and Team Cricketers. Team Cricketers, MA Brothers. ഇരു ടീമിന്റെയും ക്യാപ്റ്റൻസിനെ സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുകയാണ് ടോസിന് വേണ്ടി. That's a shot, lovely stroke, all the way over the long off region by Afri. Stand and deliver a classy one from a star youngster. Makes it wonderfully out of the ground for 6 runs for the team SF. It is by Afri. MA Pradeshinte captain സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു ടോസിന് വേണ്ടി. Miss it on this occasion, not gets a right control behind that stroke. Perfectly start on this over by the batting side of SA Fighters. Oh, that is high in the sky, and there will be well. It is landed on the ground and gone for a boundary for 4. Absolutely a chance. But that was landed and gone for a boundary for 4. A big chance for a big wicket. Shot, no chance on this occasion. This is absolutely a rocketed power from Afri. The man just launched a Scud missile over the top of wideish long off. What a beauty of a way the man controlling the things in his custody. Absolute entertainment from the young man for the Team SF Fighters. This man is generating the fight. Afri, the name you can trust. That's a slower delivery. Nice execution from the bowler. But it's gone past into the safe restricted region for single. 44-ലേക്ക് എത്തുന്നു. Moving to the last ball of the 4th over. That is gone away. Need to load that one again for the bowler Nichu. Turning out to be a little bit expensive one from Nichu. 18 already came from the first 5 balls. Afri done and does the over so far really well. That's a slower delivery. Not gets a control behind that action for the batter. End of the over. Over അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. 4 overs done. 45 for 4. 45 for 2 in fact. 45-ന് 2 എന്ന നിലയിൽ SF ഫൈറ്റേഴ്സ് ആദ്യ 4 ഓവറുകൾ അവസാനിക്കുകയാണ്. ലോർഡ്സ് ഹിദായത്ത് നഗറിലേക്ക് എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്ന കായിക പ്രേമികൾക്ക് ഹൃദ്യമായ സ്വാഗതം. ഫസ്റ്റ് എവർ ലോർഡ്സ് പ്രീമിയർ ലീഗ് you are watching here in Lord's Hidayat Nagar. And that's a wicket. That's a big wicket. Wonderfully takes it by Mamu, and the standard of innings by Afri comes to an end. He is going back after set the front stage in a decent way for the Team SF Fighters. Shamsu joins as a new batter for Team SF Fighters. Apadu again. This man is working wonderfully. That is kept very well inside from the guideline. A very good decision made by Marsook, the ump. A wicket to start the proceedings. This over is going in a very fluency way for the bowling side. Apadu, the man who changed the rhythm completely from the opposite side. 45 for the loss of 4 right now. 3 balls to go from the innings. Smart piece of thinking from the bowler, but this time that's way outside, just way outside from the guideline moves. First run of this over. Oh, this time, sure a wide, far away from the guideline. Slower delivery, nicely picked it that one and just over the field, it deposits. And what a way produce a result in favor of the batting side. After fabulous work in consecutive time by the bowler, this time the batter joins in the party. Shoaib hits it that one perfectly. That's a clever piece of bowling. That's a superb line. And superb length in front of Shoaib. 53 റൺസുകൾ. അവസാന പന്തിലേക്ക് ആദ്യ ഇന്നിംഗ്സ്. Need to load again. It's a no ball. Already gets a warning by the bowler. And this time a no ball called by the umpire. Moving back by the bowler to load the action again. It will be a free hit ball coming up for the batter Shoaib. Not gets a control. Straight to the ends of the field. Very well controlled. Overcomes to an end from Apadu. Wonderful 2 hours of spell completed by Apadu. And it's the end of the innings. Number 154 on card. 55 to chase for the team. Billayke Malsaram Vijaykan and 55 runs in their target. We have seen a 74 runs of target in previous match. That was a Nasir and Mamu, the opening combo from the team. Billa. It was a delivery going away from the target to start the action by Afri. Nicely picked it that one. Pulls it outside of the ground for a terrific way by the batter Nazir. What a way to start the action. What a way to react by Nazir. And what a way to announce his arrival. Well done. Keeps that one tightly. This time shapes it that one nicely in front of Nazir with a slower delivery. The variation looks perfect for the bowler Afri Talangara. Afri again, little bit quicker one, on to the target as a full length delivery. Not gets a control by the batter. Gets a single in form of leg by. Nicely mixing the variation by Afri. And now the left hand Mamu on strike. Afri just make sure the right fielders are in the right position for the left hand. 2 balls to go from the over. That's a full toss and dispatched out of the ground by Mamu in style. രണ്ട് ബാറ്റേഴ്സും സിക്സറോടുകൂടി ആരംഭിക്കുന്നു. നേരിട്ട് ആദ്യ പന്തിനെ അതിർത്തി വരയിലേക്ക് പ്രഹരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ബാറ്റേഴ്സ് തങ്ങളുടെ നയം വ്യക്തമാക്കുകയാണ്. 55-ലേക്കുള്ള യാത്രയിൽ ഒരു ഇഞ്ച് പോലും വിട്ടുകൊടുക്കാനില്ലെന്ന് പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്ന ഓപ്പണേഴ്സ്. Here is again over the top and into the cover. Lovely stroke from Mamu. That's a class. That's a class act. End of the over with an expensive 18 runs came from the first over. 18 without loss. Team Billa 37 required from 24. മനോഹരമായ ആദ്യ ഓവർ പിന്നിടുമ്പോൾ ഖാദർ അഹമ്മദ് is coming with the second over a little bit fast and furious from ഖാദർ അഹമ്മദ് and beats a swing of the batter Nazir Thailand. That's a perfect connection right from the middle of the bat. An absolutely phenomenal way. He just clears the distance for a maximum. Plan to avoid an easy smash and easily deposit just outside from the right hand batter. 24 runs. Punches that one powerfully through the onside region. Nazir gets a single. Straight away controls in the hands of the batting side of Team Billa. Dugout is really happy about a good start of the openers. A quarter of a century on card by the team. In an easy target looks to be in Peppers. Nicely going away from the target. Wide is a call. It brings 26 runs. 20 balls, 29 runs. Looks to be simple. The things for Billa. Working again in favor of the batting side. Consecutive wides by ഖാദർ അഹമ്മദ്. That's a gain, and this time shapes it nicely. Brings that one superbly on the track by ഖാദർ അഹമ്മദ്. That's a nice piece of execution, and there will be a decent over comes to an end. 10 runs came from the over. It is the end of 228 without loss by the team Billa. They need 27 from 18 balls. 28 റൺസുകൾ ആദ്യ 2 ഓവറിൽ അടിച്ചെടുക്കുന്നു. ഇനി അടുത്ത 3 ഓവറിൽ വേണം 27 റൺസിന്റെ ടാർഗറ്റ് ടീം ബില്ലയ്ക്ക് മത്സരം സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ SA ഫൈറ്റേഴ്സിനെതിരെ. You are watching the second match of Lord's Premier League here in Lord's Hidayat Nagar. New over start in similar way by the opening batter. Mamu, the left-hander, a standard of a shot again and pulls it superbly out of the ground for 6 runs. Interesting game of cricket. It's some impeccable shot. Lovely execution from the bat. He was very aware of the field placement. And what a way to open the face of the bat and clinically well deposit into the vacant part of the ground to take a single. Smart batting. That's in the air. Little bit miss it on this occasion. And it will be a single for the batter. Right and left hand combo. Nazir Mammu combo is working wonderfully for the team. 3 more balls to go from the over. Just not gets a control on this occasion. Samsu, the bowler, is back. After conceding the first ball maximum, he just back with his variation at bringing in consecutive singles for the batter. But that is enough to the batters to cross the limits. Catches a goal! It's in the hands of the wicket keeper. Done and does superbly. That's the end of the wicket number 1. First wicket goes down from the chasing side of Villa after set the standard of the second innings in style by the openers. 37 for the loss of 1. 18 required from 13. New batter Nichu joins. 18 വേണം 13 പന്തുകളിൽ മത്സര വിജയത്തിനായി. Hammer through the onside region. And there will be the batter looking for second between the wicket. Oh, it's comfortable couple of runs between the wicket by the batters. Interesting call. An excellent response here by Nichu as well. End of the over. 3 overs gone. 39 for 1. 16 required from 2 overs. Looks easy for the batting side. Afri coming back into the attack with an important over. Important second last over. Oh, gone in a wrong line. Afri have a lot of experience in his short career. Played lot of major tournaments in Kasaragod. Oh, that is brilliantly. Plays it out of the ground for a maximum result by Mammu. Entertainment that gives in 100 kilowatts of energy that radiates from the bat of Mammu. Mammu tried again. Missed it on this occasion. Takes a single in an easy way. 47 എത്തുന്നു. 8 റൺസ് മതി 10 പന്തുകളിൽ നിന്ന് ടാർഗറ്റിലേക്ക് എത്താൻ ടീം ബില്ലേക്ക്. Powerfully played out of the ground for 6 runs. Well. Game in the custody of the team Villa. 50 comes up in style. അറ്റാക്കാണ് മുഖമുദ്ര എന്ന് പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്ന ബോളേഴ്സ്. രണ്ട് റൺസാണ് ലക്ഷ്യത്തിലേക്ക് ആവശ്യം. ആധികാരികമായ ബാറ്റിംഗ് പ്രകടനം. അവിശ്വസനീയമായ രീതിയിൽ എതിരാളികളെ നിഷ്പ്രഭരാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് that takes a single. Nichu decided to give a chance to finish for Mammu. ഇന്നിംഗ്സിന്റെ നെടുംതൂണായ മമ്മുവിന് ഈ മത്സരം ഫിനിഷ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു അവസരം ഇരിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് നിച്ചു കരുതുമ്പോൾ അടുത്തൊരു പന്തിലേക്ക് കൂടി. Yes, that's straight to the field. Chance to get a single, and Nichu is quick, and that's enough to complete an excellent victory for the team. Billa won by 9 wickets. Congratulations. Congratulations, what a victory for the team and what a good run chase by the top orders of Billa. ആഘോഷിക്കുകയാണ് തങ്ങളുടെ ആദ്യ വിജയം. ടൂർണമെന്റിലെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ മത്സരത്തിൽ SA ഫൈറ്റേഴ്സിനെതിരെ ടീം ബില്ല. അടുത്ത മത്സരത്തിൽ